This is the American dream for sure.
24 years when I came here, I think $2. But now, in finale, it's so big for me. I mean, it's beautiful. It's in my country now. It's going to give me everything. I mean, I love my country.
America is electrified by the dogs. And if they can keep doing what they're doing, then they could take this all the way and win $1 million.
Big numbers.
It's all built up to a moment. And this final is definitely our moment.
I've been doing this for 44 years, and this show
Hyper.
tonight is the biggest show in my life.
Hang on, dogs.
Olatta dog. And it looks like Sharon has a new friend.
I just gotta say, Ozzy, we got a new baby. Look, he's got a crust like my husband on his chest. I love him. I can't believe it. You bought us another new dog. What is that dog's name?
Also, it means bear in Spanish.
Oh, my goodness me. Dogs, you know I'm a dog lover. You can trust them. They don't lie to you. They don't deceive you. This is just pure love on the stage. I just can't tell you. You make me so happy. And thank you for the doggy.
Howard.
You know, Sharon, that dog you're holding might be a millionaire. You better watch yourself. You know, look, if we saw any one of these individual tricks on YouTube, we would think that, oh my goodness, you know, I've been upstaged by a dog. Wouldn't be the first time. Look, you guys are phenomenal. You've done a great job. It's going to be interesting to see how America votes. You know, in my mind now, I'm going back and forth between a comedian, a guy on an earth harp, and you guys. And it's going to be interesting to see who wins. It really is. You've done a phenomenal job. Each week you come out with a level of expertise with these dogs and a level of training like I've never seen before.
America's got to vote.
Yes, you got to vote.
Howie, what an amazing act. From the moment the act started with that car poodling, is that what you call it? But it's just amazing. Every time you bring a new trick, and the fact that it was so up, you were here at home, I smelled the act. I could smell the act. But it's just great. What a way to end the show. America, you gotta vote. Look at that. You gotta vote. How can you not vote?
These dogs are amazing.